Hi, I'm Eric with Mid-Ohio Valley Anchor Realty. I'd like to show you your next home. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just over 2,200 square feet of living space, with some of the most unique and exquisite finishes you're likely to find. The main floor living space has cathedral ceilings which feel spacious yet cozy. New stainless steel appliances.
The main floor features a walk-in shower flanked by 2 bedrooms. For main floor living,
all new floor coverings throughout. Enjoy 2 vehicle parking in this custom cavernous 2-car garage. It's both heated and cooled. It has a hot water spigot for all of your garage hot water needs, whatever they may be. The upstairs of the home is an exclusive ensuite with a large master bedroom and huge master bath and a surprise. Oh, and the master bathroom.
relax knowing your home is covered by a full 1-year home warranty.
What could you do with a 12 by 20 storage shed with electricity? Enjoy quiet living on a private dead-end street